Hi, it's Chris here with Bernese the Rockies, and if you're a college football fan, well, coming up is going to be a very big day with the college national championship coming up, so we're going to do something a little different. We're going to predict the winner of this game before it even happens. It looks like we have Clemson, is that how you say it, Clemson, and Alabama. So let's see if we can pick the winner of this national championship by using puppies. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we have Clemson with 2 puppies, we have Alabama with 3. It looks like we have a fan that came onto the field. It's a head-to-head competition. Well, there you have it. It looks like the winner is Alabama based on the Bernese Mountain Dog puppies. Well, there you go. Our Bernese Mountain Dog puppies have chosen Alabama to win the championship game. Now, granted, if you're an Alabama fan, I'm sure you're very excited. If you're not an Alabama fan, well, I'm sure you're not as excited, but hopefully you smile because the puppies are cute. So, again, we're just having fun. And for the record, this video has 0 sponsors, 0 endorsements, 0 anything to do with anything. So this is just strictly us having fun. We have no affiliations with either school. We have no affiliations with any boosters or anything else that would, affect our judgments or whatever else anybody would be worried about. So anyways, we're just having fun, and hopefully you had a good time. And if you love Bernese Mountain Dogs, please consider subscribing to this channel. I put out videos on Tuesdays and on Fridays, and the Tuesday show is based on the Bernese Mountain Dog breed, puppy adoption, puppy training, different things like this. And the Friday show is all about you. It's our Berner Fan Fridays, and so if you have a question about Bernese Mountain Dogs, if you want to share some stories with me, some comments, I'll put them on the air. Also, if you just love looking at, Bernese Mountain Dogs and stuff. We always try to do something fun. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have a Berner, hug your Berner and be blessed.